Hello everyone, in front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, then find and select Security, and here you will notice fingerprint. Click here to activate it, and before you enroll your fingerprint, you need to set some screen lock password. So just tap on Set Screen Lock. And now you can choose pattern, pin code, or the password. Let me pick pattern. Click on next, then re-enter it just to confirm. And now it's time to manage your notification content. So you can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you can hide all notifications. And actually I would like to pick this one. Click on done. And now smoothly add your fingerprint. So the fingerprint sensor is located at the back cover of your device, right here. You will smoothly notice it, and all you have to do is to keep tapping till it's fully added. So let me tap on next, and now you can smoothly add your fingerprint. You will feel the smooth vibration, and then the progress will be illustrated right here in front of you. So just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, you can smoothly unlock your device with this fingerprint only, just by tapping. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.